Hey, good people, how are you doing? Do you know that you can make crazy amount of money through WhatsApp? In fact, you can even make upwards of $100 per day through WhatsApp. Of course, a good number of people out there see WhatsApp just as a form of communicating with their friends, their family members, their workmates, and so forth. But WhatsApp is a very, very powerful social media platform. And I'm saying so because we're talking about there being upwards of 2 billion active users on WhatsApp. This tells you already have an interesting marketplace. It might be a communication platform, but guys, this is a marketplace. And in fact, you could tap into this marketplace for you to be able to make insane amounts of money. That's why I want to share with you 5 ways you can go about making money through WhatsApp this year and beyond. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. By the way, if you're new to this channel, kindly down there is a button called subscribe. Subscribe to this channel, join the family for you to be getting such awesome videos each and every day. Having said that, the first way you can make money through WhatsApp is by you selling your digital assets. What do I mean? Maybe you have your own unique book. Maybe you have a course on how to go about doing something, step-by-step guide. Why not look forward to share these with your close friends, also develop communities around a particular subject matter and sell this to people through WhatsApp. Of course, you might get payments through different platforms out there. PayPal, even maybe money wallet directly transferred to your money wallet and so forth. Start and you're going to be amazed the power with which WhatsApp is going to assist you be able to sell this digital product of yours. You don't need to wait really or even to go out there looking for all these sophisticated platforms out there. WhatsApp is a free source of you actually utilizing that to tap into this market, which actually stands upwards of 2 billion users globally. And then the second way you can make money through WhatsApp, more so in case you already have some good quote-unquote social capital. For example, you are already an influencer or you have a sizable amount of following in other social media platforms. It's only that you haven't really made money through that platform. Why not utilize WhatsApp for you to be able to be having sponsored posts? Yes, you could, for example, have a dedicated community on WhatsApp. Why not have sponsored posts whereby there is different companies out there or even makers of products out there that pay you for you to be able to post for them about their product, about whatever they're talking about. Of course, the caveat with this that also you need to work with legit products out there so that you do not kill your credibility in pursuit of this money. But even with these guys, you can even make upwards of $500 per day. You pursuing this route of making money through WhatsApp by using sponsored posts. That's the second way through which you can make money using WhatsApp. And then the third way you can make money using WhatsApp is by you doing affiliate marketing. What am I talking about? Affiliate marketing is basically you sharing links to given sites out there, given products out there, and then you get a cut or a commission of any conversion of that, or even just for some companies out there, like for example, law firms and so forth, you just giving them leads. Yes, guys, it is feasible out here. And in fact, even we have a number of people out there who make hundreds of thousands of dollars monthly. Others even make tens of thousands of dollars monthly through affiliate marketing. Of course, they utilize different platforms out there. For example, Amazon affiliate marketing, using, for example, websites out there or blogs. Also, you could look to use WhatsApp for you to be able to build on affiliate income. How do you go about it? Of course, there is a very thin line around spamming and also you going about it the very correct way. Starting point of it is thinking about the long-term picture. You know what you want. You know the kind of money you want to rake in and from different sources. Why not start by building a community? Of course, you're creating interest around a given number of people out there. And even interestingly, we're talking about WhatsApp allowing you, for example, to even have a community upwards of about range of 1,000 or so people in a given group. Guys, this is ready market, and you could use that to actually tap into affiliate marketing, because you could have, for example, affiliate links out there of different sites out there, Amazon, whichever site out there. And in case someone clicks on that particular link, you're going to get some form of payment once they purchase any product out there. So for you to ensure you have a good chance at success, what you need to do is actually also post kind of links of products which are relevant to that particular group. To give you an example, you might have a group of photography fanatics, right? Videography fanatics. It makes sense then for you to post maybe new cameras, new lenses, or even new accessories around the interest of a particular group. Through that way, you're going to be able to trigger their interest and even so ensure you get some forms of conversion, right? And then the fourth way through which you can make money using WhatsApp is you actually offering what I call online events. What am I talking about? You could also look to be going live or utilizing different online tools for you to be able to foster your particular agenda on WhatsApp. Look for a community, and maybe even each and every day you're going to be reaching out to them through a given dedicated platform, whereby even may jump on a call, you can do whatever as long as you are reaching them. And the interesting thing is that actually you could start an event around anything. For example, you are a fanatic of a given game. To give you an example, maybe you are good at playing chess. Why not look to brand your image around a particular product, and of course, start even thinking about how these members are able to give you money. Of course, I may give you money because you're giving them free kind of entertainment, free kind of, let me say, value, and then you get money. But even beyond that, the last point I want to talk about is how actually you can force to be able to get money through this platform. And that's way number 5, which I call memberships. You can also have different kind of products out there. For example, you could have link to what I call bait, free products out there or free information out there, which is very enticing, but also have a comprehensive piece of information somewhere else through which members can be able to join and access data for free. Of course, you can be building a community around a particular area of interest and then see how this community is going to become members of whatever you're trying to put out there in the market. And by the way, guys, this is something very, very feasible because people are out there looking for ways of learning new information out there, of maybe contributing to given communities out there. Memberships is going to be one of the awesome and interesting ways you could look to even be able to make money through WhatsApp. What do you all think about these 5 ways I talked about, which you can use to make money through WhatsApp? I hope you've gotten 1 or 2 which are enticing and you can't wait to implement them. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to sharing with you other awesome ideas next time. Bye-bye and you all take care.